Hello internet friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra. Happy New Year. Wait a second. That's not right, is it? Hello internet friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you're new around here, hello, my name is Sierra and I'm an American living abroad. Every week I make a new video about my family's life here and the shenanigans that either I get up to or we get up to on the weekly. Today's shenanigan has a little to do with the little intro mistake that I made earlier. You guys can tell by the title, I have one more surprise FUKUBUKURO lucky bag for you, although to be honest, I don't know if this is called FUKUBUKURO, but anyways, I have today one of my last and possibly final lucky bags I'm going to do for this calendar year. I thought I was done, but apparently I am not. Apparently, lucky bags are a thing in Japan in the spring now, and I didn't know that, or at least there's a lucky bag available at the Disney store. I've also heard that lucky bags are available sometimes on American Black Friday at places like Toys R Us in Japan. So every year that I live here, I learn a little bit more and I'm even more confused, but that doesn't matter. Anyways, moving back to my little messed up intro, the reason I said Happy New Year is because traditionally in Japan, FUKUBUKURO or lucky bags usually come out on January 1st, and it's one of the many ways that Japanese people celebrate the new year. So as I've already said, I got one FUKUBUKURO for this spring season, although I am going out and about in a couple of days. So if I find more, maybe I'll make more videos. I have no idea. A friend of mine said that FUKUBUKURO is kind of over for now, but I guess this store was either late or just had a lot extra. But anyways, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging the Disney Store Spring FUKUBUKURO for 2021. And I've never had a spring FUKUBUKURO before, but I will link my winter FUKUBUKURO up in the cards for you guys if you want to check it out. I'm hoping that the items are going to be similar in value and similar in awesomeness, but to be honest, I have no idea. Every year in the store, they do a little preview of what could be in your bag or kind of like the value of items, and I really want all the items that were in the display. I have a feeling I won't get them because a friend of mine also got the bag and she said hers were a little bit different, but I digress. Let's get into this puppy because I am super excited about it. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Y'all better be excited because every year those are my most watched videos on my channel. So let's get into this. They're usually sealed with some kind of a store thingy so people don't go into them and open all the items and see what's in them, so to make sure the things that the store puts in are actually in there. Yeah. Well, I take time to gracefully unpeel the tape and rip this apart. I guess to tell you guys about the other things I make on my channel. So I do make content about Japan, but I also make content about genuine travel. I have an adopted son, so we make content about adoption. I also talk about vegan living, raising vegan kids, and trying to live a little bit more sustainably. And yes, I know I was called out on one of my lucky bag videos saying lucky bags are not sustainable. It depends on who you ask. I see it as a way to get something new that I might need in my home and or find ways to find more financially efficient gifts for people throughout the year. Not all of them, but almost all the items I've gotten in my FUKUBUKURO that are housey, that are household goods, I do actually use every single day. For example, I used my Hello Kitty towel that I got in the video I'll put up here for a bath last night, and it was awesome, so hush. Anyway, all right, now I think I have this like kind of taken apart. Let's see what's inside. It's so weird. They put like a full-size store bag inside of this like reusable shopping bag. That makes no sense, but whatever. I guess they didn't want people to see what was inside. Okay, let's just pull out the items. I don't want to look. Ooh, ooh. I feel 2 plushies? 3 plushies? I don't know. Let's just pull it out. I'm gonna start with the actual plushie that I have here, and it feels really soft and cute. I hope it's soft and cute. It is. Aw, I don't know who they are. They're so cute though. I think they're like the baby, like soft doll version of Chip and Dale. I can tell because one has a red nose. These are really sweet. Oh, and they have a little baby blanket too. I love that. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'll either keep them and add them to my little collection. I feel like they go pretty well up there. Or I actually have some friends who are going to be having babies soon, so I might give this to one of them for their babies. I don't know. I feel like right now there is a pandemic of cute stuffed animals in my background, so I might have to get rid of these guys just to save space. But for now, let's give them a home. Maybe we'll put them here in front of my Fantastic Beasts toy doll. There we go. Cute. Okay, now let's move on to the other items in the bag. It's like a boxy thing. It is a 4-piece plate set. And And they're really cute. It looks like they're all Winnie the Pooh, but they're all different colors, so that's really cool. I think those will be really fun to use for avocado toast, or for little man to have his breakfast on, or to serve dessert on, or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I know what some of you guys are gonna say, grow up. Well, who says that grown-ups can't have plates with animals on them? Yeah, that's right. Okay, moving on to the next item. Feels like a keychain. It is, oh, it's a little backpack keychain. Oh, I bet this is for like ear pods, maybe? Yeah, it's like a little like ear pods case keychain. I don't use Apple earpods because I'm a heathen, but I can understand how this would be useful, so that's pretty cute. Let's move on to the next item in here. I just pulled out a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. More stuff inside of a bag. Okay, I'll just put that back in. Item that fell into my lap is a little pen for 990 yen. Okay, I am not exactly sure what it does. Looks like an Apple pen. Is it, again, yeah, this is the Chip and Dale like baby doll collection. I don't know how to open the top. Oh, I see. Okay, look, this is really fun. I don't know that I would have paid 900 yen for that, which is probably why it ended up in a FUKUBUKURO, but you know what? It's fine. Moving on to, let's just open that bag I pulled out earlier. I would love to know what is in here. I'm gonna find out, but I think it's interesting that they put it inside of another bag. Like, maybe this is like an item that's really easy to be damaged. I don't know. It is a, ooh, it's a Spider-Man sticker. Cool. Little man will go crazy for that. I am definitely gonna add that to his Easter basket because little man loves Spider-Man because I love Spider-Man and his daddy loves Spider-Man. So obviously our son would love Spider-Man because, you know. Now let's move on to another sticker. Oh, it's so cute. It's the, looks like a collection of Minnie and Mickey Sakura stickers. There's some more. I think this is the last thing. It's a stationery bag. Is a little pin. Aw. It's Nemo! Nemo, Nemo, Nemo! I think there's only one person in the world would get that little joke I just said, but yeah, if you got it, awesome. Cute. It looks like it's a pin, but like also like a clip. So I don't really know what that's about, but that's cool. This one's 550 yen, so okay, interesting. Moving on to the next item. Is this the last item? Oh no, wait, no, there's 2 items in here. No. There's 3 more items. Okay, next item is this thing. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's an eraser. Oh, that's really cute. It looks like they are new, like Happy New Year Tsum Tsum stickers. You guys can't really see them through the package. Let me open them. Oh, and they're like sushi. That's so funny. Okay, they're in here like with the packaging. They have like a little like fake sushi grass in there. And they just look like this, so those are really cute. I like those a lot. Okay, next little item, the small item that feels like a Tsum Tsum. No, it's not a Tsum Tsum, it's a dory. Wait, no, it is a Tsum Tsum. It's a dory Tsum Tsum. Which is, I don't know, I would say it's cute, but I don't want to lie. It's kind of scary. I don't like it. I understand why it's in Lucky Bag. And it looks like it has an open belly, so maybe you're supposed to like, oh, weird. I'm confused. If you know what this is supposed to be, please tell me, because that's really weird. It almost looks like it might be a collaboration with Dr. Seuss, because this reminds me of like the stars and the star bellies in one of the books that Little Man has, but yeah, I don't know about that. All right, let's take a look at it. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, so it looks like it has Stitch and some sunglasses, and I think this is the restaurant from the movie, right? Stitch again, some ice cream, more Stitch and some ice cream, and flip-flops. That's cool. I don't know if this is something that I would pick out for myself, like to buy, but because I have it, I'll definitely use it. Because, as I said earlier, there is a situation in my house where my hand towels are all gone. Don't know what that's about. I feel like I buy hand towels all the time too. Okay, next one. Looks also really cute, and on the back it has an ice cream, but on the front it looks like it's just a giant Stitch eating ice cream. Aw, that's fun. I like that. That's so cute. So overall, I don't know off the top of my head what the grand total of the value of this Lucky Bag is, but because of the fact that I know that this stuffy is worth more than the cost of Lucky Bag, that I definitely got my money's worth. So if I were to pick a favorite item from the FUKUBUKURO, I don't know. I think the Sleeping Chip and Dale is actually my favorite, which means it's gonna be really hard for me to get rid of it in the event that I decide to get rid of it. So we will see what happens, but they're so cute. I love them. So that's everything in the lucky bag. Do I think it was worth it? Absolutely. Do I think that it was better than the New Year's lucky bag? I don't know. I feel like the value of the items is similar. So once again, I just think that they're doing the same thing they're doing with winter lucky bags as they're doing with the spring lucky bag. Except when I picked up this lucky bag in the store, I realized that they'd actually been on sale for a few days. So I guess either people just don't know about spring FUKUBUKURO, or it's a new thing this year, or maybe the Disney one just isn't so popular. I don't know. But anyways, that is all I have for now. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And also in the comment section, let me know which of these items from my FUKUBUKURO is your favorite, and let me know which items from the bag you would say is your least favorite. Other than that, that's all I have to say. I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.